Hey guys, welcome to White Rock Crypto. My name is Wolf Lopez, and on this channel I cover the latest and the craziest cryptocurrency news that will help you to stay ahead of the markets. So let's go. I would love to know your thoughts about it. But the next news here, so Bitcoin super cycle sets up Q4 BTC price top as illiquid supply hits all-time high. So if you have been following cryptocurrencies, now you can see that there was a kind of like a mini bear market kind of, and now things have started to pick up again. Who knows what's going to happen next, but this is very exciting. Just watch this. So bulls come out for 2021 close. So in 2017 bull run, 2018 that was the end of the year bull run. If you were wearing cryptocurrencies here, like this was crazy. So if we see this kind of like craziness again, it's going to be crazy. So here's history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. Bitcoin, a repeat would be Q4 blow off top. New all-time highs in the 2022 seems more likely. Super cycle, last cycle will depend on what happens in 2023. In my opinion, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm very excited for this year. And the supply shock is back. So investor behavior further mimics the change in sentiment. Strongholders with little to no history of selling their BTC are now back in control at levels never seen before. This is very bullish. So Bitcoin supply shock is now at levels that previously priced Bitcoin at $53,000. Okay, so crazy stuff. Okay, so I'm very excited for this. Comment down below what you think about how this whole thing will play out this year. Will we see a massive bull run at the end of this year, or are we going to enter a bear market? What do you guys think? Okay, so this news is very insanely inspiring. So this family bet everything on Bitcoin when it was $900. So this is basically old news. This was December 2020 published, but an update on 2021. But I wanted to cover this because I want to show you something amazing on this. So keep watching because this is amazing. So this family bet everything on Bitcoin when it was $900 and bought more when it crashed in 2018. So this is the photo of the family. So Didi Taihotu, his 5 and 3 kids bet all they have on Bitcoin. Okay, look at this guy. This guy has some serious balls. Okay, and it's nearly 4 years and 40 countries later, Thailand and his family still don't have bank accounts, a house, or all that much by way of personal possessions. All the family savings remain tied up in high volatile cryptocurrencies. Think about that. Like, that's crazy. They are just like, he's like, that's the ultimate freedom. Like, think about that's crazy, but at the same time that's like, this guy is so smart. So we stepped into Bitcoin because we want to change our lives. Okay, so now he's saying that I won't be surprised if Bitcoin hits $200,000 by 2022. Okay, so I think this bull cycle we are going to see minimal peak of 100,000. I won't be surprised if it hits 200,000 by 2022. And it's just crazy. Okay, so think about that. He started I believe that he said that on this, when this article was like, I don't know what was updated, but before February Bitcoin wasn't like going like crazy to like 60k. So this guy has very good like understanding of Bitcoin. Of course, well, everybody like even Charlie Munger says that you need some kind of luck, also a little bit of luck. You know, it's like 40% luck, 50% skill, 80% concentrated power of will, something like that. Ford Minor song, you know, that old one. But anyway, so but this guy has some serious, like, this guy is very smart. Like, he spotted the trend early and went all in. He doubled down on what works, and you know, this is the payout is crazy to do things like that are maybe a little bit fearful, but the success is always on the other side of the fear. And that's what I have learned. But anyway, that's pretty ballsy move, because think about like his whole family's everything is on Bitcoin, and what if it has crashed or something like that, anything could basically happen, because like black swan event. But not, it's going pretty good for them, like, I mean, insanely well. So they're enjoying and all that stuff. So they're happy. So that's what matters here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, and now we're actually going to jump on some more news still. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so this next news is about Cardano launching connector that bridges ADA wallet to decentralized applications. So Emurgo, a founding entity of Cardano, announced that it is launching a new platform that will bridge the interactions between ADA users and decentralized applications on the blockchain network. Okay, so after enabling the dApp connector, the users will be able to participate in any activities that the decentralized application permits, such as purchasing or selling tokens, gaining access to resources, or using other features offered by the dApp. So currently, Cardano is still a vaporwave. Like, if I ask you what purpose you are using Cardano, like what you are doing with the Cardano, nobody can answer it, because you can still do you can't basically do anything with it. Okay. So it's still a vaporwave, meaning that there's no real, no real things happening in there. But I'm not saying that it's I love the project because it's built from the ground up. Okay, because Ethereum has its flaws and stuff, but Cardano is like they are building it to come up with the greatest, like just basically the Ethereum killer, as you might say. Okay, so anyway, I think that this is very interesting. Things are moving fast, and anyway, I think that it's going to take more time for the Cardano to really like hit the get the ball rolling, because if you really think about it, what they are doing is huge. Okay, so here he says that, so I still think our timelines are good. August, September, those are holding strong. But if you have been looking, like I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, and for example there was some Cardano stuff. They should, I don't quite remember what it was, they're supposed to roll out some kind of I had to actually look it up. I can't quite remember, but I remember I was waiting for some new update, but then that they couldn't get to the timeline, and then they never released it. So it was very like a big turn up for me. And but anyway, so I still believe that the most of the development infrastructure will be built in the August-September timeframe, and then a long tail of iterative improvements to that infrastructure as dApps are built and deployed on Cardano. Okay, so huge news coming to Cardano. I mean, the bull run, if the bull run goes like the last bull run, basically the things will start heating up as we move into the end of the year. So it's very exciting time, the time to be in the cryptocurrencies. And anyway, that's the news. Comment down below your thoughts about Cardano, and let's jump in the next news. Okay, so this news is very interesting. Let me show you what's happening. So Saudi Aramco, I don't know how to say that, reportedly plans to start mining Bitcoin. But not only that, the way that they're doing it, I'm going to show you. So the world's third largest company, Saudi Aramco, according to reports, is apparently considering joining the cryptocurrency ecosystem by mining Bitcoin. And how they are going to do it is very genius. Let me show you. So investing.com stated the Middle East oil company is interested in mining Bitcoin. We are negotiating with Aramco. All black liquid oil that comes out of the desert belongs to this company. All the flared gas they are not using, and that's public information. I can tell you it's enough to power up half of the Bitcoin network today from this company alone. That's the report that says. According to the research, instead of disposing of the byproduct of oil mining, Aramco may employ it for money-making operations by mining digital assets using the leftover gas from oil extraction. Aramco needs to burn this flared gas. She needs to get rid of this gas that is a byproduct of their oil mining they do. What if you find a way to make money while doing this? Like that's crazy good. Like it's another income source for them. And look how huge company this is. So this is the Wikipedia page. Revenue 229 billion. So this is 2020. Okay. Crazy number of, and look how many employees. Like this is huge. Okay, these guys are crazy huge. And yeah, so Aramco is investing significant amounts in blockchain technology, and it's working closely with its business partners to encourage and prepare them for adopting the technology. Aramco deployed its corporate blockchain platform in partnership with IBM, which enables Aramco to scale up its blockchain solutions. So Aramco spokesperson said. Okay, so everybody's like tipping those on the Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, not only just Bitcoin, but just blockchain in general, because if you think about it, like its future is coming. Okay, the technology is evolving very fast, and this ticker is I hate these kind of ticker. Okay, nice, I can put my cursor on it. But anyway, so this kind of like everybody is starting to come on the blockchain. I think that's going to take like a year or two or more to really see it like going crazy. But what do you guys think? Like these huge companies have started taking like even if they didn't like publicly say it, but I can assure you that these big huge companies have started to look into how they can make money with blockchain, or how can integrate blockchain technology into their companies, because if they don't, the competitors will take over everything. Okay, because blockchain technology is just superior. Okay, anyway, let's jump on the next news. Comment down below, by the way, what you think about this, and if you know more about this type of stuff. And anyway, just comment down your thoughts about it. I would love to know. Okay,